I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Lebara to 3UK, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Get your PSE code. Contact Lebara customer service to request your porting authorization code PSE. This code is essential for transferring your number. Step 2. Sign up with 3UK. Visit the 3UK website or a local store to sign up for a new plan. Make sure to have your PSE code handy during the sign-up process. Step 3. Provide your PSE code. During the registration process with 3, you will be asked to enter your PSE code. This will initiate the number porting process. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your PSE code, you will receive a confirmation message from 3UK. The porting process usually takes a few hours but can take up to 24 hours. Step 5. Test your new service. Once you receive confirmation that your number has been ported, test your new 3UK SIM by making a call or sending a text. If you encounter issues, try restarting your phone. Switching providers can be a hassle, but following these steps should help you transition smoothly. Good luck with your new service.